Minister for Cooperatives and Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development, Simon Chelugui. Minister for Mining, Blue Economy and Maritime Affairs, Salim Mvurya. Minister for Labor and Social Protection, the Honorable Florence Bore. I have also made the following cabinet level appointments. Advisor on Women Rights Agency, Harriet Chigai. Advisor National Security or National Security Advisor, Monica Juma. Attorney General, Justin Bidan Muturi Njoka. And Secretary to the Cabinet, Mercy Wanjau. Those are the appointments I have made this afternoon. Other appointments will follow in due course on the other areas that are part of the team that will work with me and my two brothers and the entire cabinet in making sure that we implement the program and the plan upon which the people of Kenya voted for us. This afternoon also, I have received communication from the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Mutiambai, of his request to proceed on terminal leave because of his health situation. I have, after discussing with Mr. Mutiambai and in consideration of his service to our nation and his health situation, I have accepted that Mr. Mutiambai will proceed on terminal leave on the 6 months that he still has of his contract. I have also received the resignation of the Director General of CID, Mr. Kinoti, and I have transmitted the same to the National Police Service to proceed with advertising that position. And meanwhile, they should get somebody to act in the place of Mr. Kinoti. Some consultations were going on. I wanted to confirm whether the gentleman I want to propose for Parliament to consider as the next Inspector General are concluded. Is there somebody? Get me Kinywa. Get me Kinywa. Bring the I will also formally announce to you that as well, all in the exercise of trying to assemble the next administration so that we can, all of us, begin to work on the nuts and bolts of the transformation of our country. We appreciate that we have a difficult economic situation in our hands, but I am confident that working with this team, we will overcome all the challenges that are there. Did you finish with that? Okay, like you can say, just come back to the who is currently what? Yes, okay. Once I conclude my consultations with the head of public service here, the name of the new Inspector General of Police will be released this afternoon. So, with those many remarks, ladies and gentlemen, I want to take this opportunity to wish the men and women on this list, the great people who will assist us deliver on the Kenya Kwanza plan. I wish them well. They will now proceed to Parliament for the exercise in Parliament so that Parliament can approve and give me the opportunity to finally conclude the appointment and get each and every member of this team to work. Asanteni sana, and may God bless.